Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making a hazelnut sponge cake. I use this as a base to combine it with a raspberry white chocolate filling, and it's also a perfect combination with a Nutella filling and a white chocolate drip. Now let's start with the basic recipe for the sponge cake. I begin with 6 eggs, which I first beat in my stand mixer for about 5 minutes, and then add about 1 cup of sugar to this. Then I let the stand mixer beat the eggs for another 10 minutes, so 15 minutes in total. In the meantime, I combine the dry ingredients. For this, I'm using about 3/4 of a cup of grounded hazelnuts, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, depending on how dark you want the sponge cake to be. After 15 minutes have passed, I pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and fold gently. I also add about 40 grams of melted butter to this, which helps the cocoa powder dissolve better into the sponge cake. Then I pour this into a prepared cake ring, which I've set to about 9 inches in diameter, and bake this in a preheated oven at about 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. I let the cake cool for about 5 minutes in the cake ring and then remove it pretty easily. In the beginning, I did have a slight dome on the surface of the cake, but I just gently pressed it in and now have a cake that's ready to go and ready to be cut into different slices. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.